If you're living on retirement income, every monthly phone bill feels like a quiet penalty you can't escape. $60 a month, 75, sometimes 100. It doesn't sound catastrophic until you look at the long view. Over the next 10 years, between monthly plans, replacement phones, and battery failures, many retirees will spend $15,000 or more just to stay connected. Now here's why this matters. Recent industry leaks suggest Tesla may be working on a phone, often called the Pi phone, that could cost around $199, require no monthly carrier bill, and be designed to last 10 years or longer. Today, I'm not here to sell you anything. Tesla has not officially announced this phone. There is no pre-order website. Anyone asking for money right now is scamming you. What I am here to do is analyze the leaked information and answer three important questions. Would the savings actually be real? Could this phone help protect older adults from scams? And could this realistically be the last phone you ever need to buy? Let's start with the real problem nobody in the phone industry wants to talk about. The real cost of phones nobody admits. In 2015, a high-end smartphone cost about $650. Today, that same category costs $1,100 to $1,300. But the phone isn't even the expensive part anymore. The real cost is the monthly bill. $70 a month is $840 a year. Over 10 years, that's $8,400 just for service. Now add 3 phone upgrades, batteries that degrade, insurance plans, activation fees. Suddenly, you're at $15,000 to $18,000 over a decade. And what are you getting for that money? Not a longer-lasting device, not better protection, not peace of mind. The average phone is replaced every 2 to 3 years, not because it's broken, but because the battery no longer holds a charge, software updates slow it down, or the carrier pushes you to upgrade. This cycle isn't designed for your benefit. It's designed to keep you paying. And while costs rise, protection is getting worse. Why phones have become dangerous for older adults. Scam calls today are not what they were 10 years ago. AI voice cloning can mimic your grandson. Fake bank texts look identical to real ones. Emails are written perfectly without spelling errors. According to federal estimates, Americans over 60 lose billions of dollars every year to phone-based scams. And here's the hard truth. Your carrier doesn't stop them. Your phone doesn't warn you. The system you pay for every month does almost nothing to protect you. So the real question isn't, should I buy a new phone? It's this. Why am I paying so much for a system that doesn't protect me at all? The $199 Tesla phone claim, is it realistic? Let's address the headline number. According to supply chain leaks, Tesla may be targeting a phone price around $199. That wouldn't make it the cheapest phone on the market. It would make it the phone with the lowest cost of ownership. Why? Because the leaks suggest the phone may connect directly to Starlink satellites, bypassing traditional carriers altogether. No Verizon, no AT&T, no monthly bill. If that's true, Tesla wouldn't be selling phone service the way carriers do today. They'd be absorbing connectivity into their existing satellite infrastructure. For Tesla, the phone wouldn't be the product, the ecosystem would be. The 10-year math. Let's compare 2 realistic scenarios. Scenario 1. Traditional smartphone. Phone, $1,200. Monthly bill, $75. Over 10 years, $10,200. Plus replacement phones, $15,000 plus total. Scenario 2, Tesla Pi phone if leaks hold true. Phone, $199. Monthly bill, $0. 10 years, $199. That's a difference of over $10,000. But, and this is critical, that only works if the phone actually lasts, which brings us to the most important part, why Tesla's operating system matters. XOS. According to leaks, Tesla's phone would not run Android or iOS. It would run XOS, a new operating system built from the ground up. Why should older adults care? Because on Android and iOS, you are the product. Those platforms make money by collecting data, tracking behavior, and selling targeted advertising. Tesla doesn't run an ad business. They make money selling cars, batteries, and energy systems. That changes the incentive structure completely. Now add this. XOS is rumored to integrate Grok AI, built by Elon Musk's xAI team. This isn't a voice assistant designed to tell jokes, it's designed to detect patterns and threats. Imagine this. A text arrives claiming to be from your grandson asking for money. Before you even read it, the phone flags it as high risk based on language patterns, known scam structures, and your past communication habits. It could warn you before emotion takes over. That difference matters. Scams succeed because they create urgency. Stopping them early is everything. Designed for seniors, not tech workers. Most phones today are designed for 25-year-olds, small text, low contrast, hidden settings. Leaks suggest Tesla is doing the opposite. High contrast display by default, large text without digging through menus, and real voice control that understands natural language. Instead of tapping tiny icons, you could say, "Call my doctor, read this email and tell me if it's legitimate, explain this medical bill." That's not luxury, that's accessibility. The camera as a tool, not a gimmick. Rumors suggest a high-resolution camera with heavy AI stabilization. Why does that matter? Because shaky hands are common after 60. With AI stabilization, you can photograph medication labels and have them read aloud, scan bills and get summaries in plain English, zoom into small print without blur. The camera becomes a second set of eyes, not a photography toy. The big question, can it really last 10 years? Most phones die because of the battery. Leaks suggest Tesla may use advanced battery chemistry designs to degrade far more slowly than standard lithium-ion cells. Some rumors even mention solid-state battery research, supplemental solar charging under the display. No, it won't power the phone by sunlight alone, but it could slow degradation enough to avoid the upgrade cycle. Tesla's philosophy here is clear. Buy once, use it for a decade, forget about it. Real risks you need to know. This is not guaranteed to be perfect. Here are the real risks. Limited app ecosystem at launch, first-generation bugs, fewer service centers than Apple, possible delays. Tesla is famous for them. This will not be for everyone, especially at launch. Who this phone is actually for. This matters if monthly bills strain your budget, you worry about scams, you want a phone that lasts, not upgrades. It may not matter if you rely heavily on niche apps, you enjoy upgrading frequently, or you prefer in-store support everywhere. Whether the Tesla Pi phone launches exactly as rumored or not, the demand behind it is real. People want lower long-term costs, better protection, and technology that respects aging. That demand isn't going away. Remember, there is no official Tesla phone yet. Anyone asking for money today is lying. When Tesla announces something officially, you'll hear it from verified sources. Until then, stay cautious and stay informed. Which matters more to you? Saving money, scam protection, long-term durability? Comment below. Subscribe for verified updates only. No hype, no scams. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.